Hi, today I will show you how to download the Octave software and how to install it. What are the prerequisites for this software? So just type the Octave and click the site, and you can just download. Click the download. Automatically, you will get the four different OS form. So more majority of the people having a MS window, just click the MS window. We have the recommendation for the 32-bit and the 64-bit. So whichever is compatible for you, just click the installer, right? And the software is open source software. You does not need any license or anything. So you just install the software, and you will get software. After installed, you will get two links. One is called as a Octave CLI, another one is called as a Octave GUI. So now we are going to work with this GUI format. So for that, installing this software, you need Java runtime environment. So please update the Java runtime environment, then only your software will work properly. Now I am opening this software. So this will be the window of the software. So this is the command window, and this is a file browser and a workspace and a command history, right? And this is a file menu bar, and here the command next to the command window is the documentation and the editor. So in the editor only we are going to work the programs and codings. So in this software we can able to solve matrix operations and other codings. That is mathematics based codings, and that are all can be done with the help of this software. So this software is similar to the MATLAB, right? So but this software is a free version only. That is a open source software. Thank you.